Will Neiro Ethereum token be the next Shiba Inu? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about Neiro Ethereum, a token that has been trending on CoinMarketCap for the past couple of days now. And now that crypto's starting to trend again, Bitcoin's pumping, Ethereum's pumping, are we going to see us enter a full bull market fledge? As we're seeing fear and greed index at a 45 neutral, slowly creeping back towards the direction of greed, and this Neiro Ethereum token pumping like crazy, up another 5.6% on the day, trending for on number 2 for the past couple of days now, up nearly 935%, up 3.8% on the day, and down 35% on the week. Now, is this token worth buying? Is this token going to be the next Shiba Inu? That's exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video. So if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to stay tuned with the latest and greatest crypto news. Let's jump right into this project. So Neiro, say hello to Neiro, the sister of Doge. So it's a Dogecoin sister, but potentially the next Shiba killer. Neiro is a dog marked in history. Who is Neiro? The official sister of Doge, a meme legend, has arrived on the Ethereum chain to make history. The origin Neiro was received relatively was recently revealed as the sister of Dogecoin by her owner, who has kept updated about her life on a blog. The future with her loyal followers, Neiro's already beloved icon in the digital realm. She aims to overwhelm the crypto with a strong community spirit. So again, just building on the story aspect. Again, it's a meme coin, and what meme coins do best is build a community and build a story, and that's exactly what this project is doing. It's already on a ton of different exchanges, which is great. Shows that this has some, stance, how to buy tab and clean design website. We can see some Wolfonomics, 1 billion initial supply, 1 billion circulating supply, liquidity has been burnt, and then network is Ethereum. Clean website. Let's see, you enter the channel and a link to all their socials. Going over on Telegram, we can see they have over 9,000 subscribers, and on Twitter over 14,000 followers as well, or just over 14,000. I believe that Neiro will achieve a blue chip status on the Ethereum among greats like Pepe, Mog, and I added Shiba Inu to the list, as it's growing rapidly fast, has a strong fan base and a strong following. It's growing day on day. We can see when we look at the 1 month, we see a full clear picture of this project, up nearly 930%. We have not seen numbers like this just a bit. And again, it's relatively speaking, on the week we are down 39%, so it could show price of entry, especially if you haven't loaded up already. Now, I wouldn't necessarily go all in on this project, nor all in on your position if you are going to enter, but it could be a great time to dollar cost average into the mix. We go ahead and we're seeing the price is down this week, but overall it's up a lot. And I imagine there's going to be some spikes where it pumps some more, and some spikes where it lowers a bit as well. We see always the biggest Neiro, always the biggest community. Neiro is ETH. Everyone will unite under its roof. 1 trillion stock market list has arrived. All stock exchanges will come soon. That's absolutely massive. Neiro on Ethereum is taking over. Again, the dog theme tokens look like they have pulled off another massive community token that has just been absolutely taken over the crypto meme coin space. Not just that, guys, Neiro is trending and doing great, but there's also another player on the block that's about to go live, and that's Playdoh. So this project is not even live and listed yet. It's currently on pre-sale, and in 4 days and 10 hours the pre-sale will be ended, so this is your last chance to buy. They've raised $6.1 million in the past couple of weeks. Again, even though the markets have been so poopy, it is going to show that there's a respectable amount of money that's raised, and a respectable amount of people believing in this project. What is Playdoh? Playdoh is the ultimate mobile play to earn game that brings the life of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet, but Doge, and you could play to earn. So as you play and take care of your pet, you earn. Great UI, great graphics, great roadmap, and a solid tokenomics. Shows a massive, great upside potential future for this project. If you want to load up on Playdoh, link will be in the description below. But back to Neiro token, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I've been seeing this token trend for the past couple of days now, and I anticipate this could be the next massive blue chip meme coin project. It's giving me Dogecoin vibes. It's giving me Pepe vibes, Mog vibes, and it could be absolutely parabolic for the future of this project. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps up today's video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar.